If you wanted to use your Samsung Galaxy A56 5G as a webcam, then it is possible by downloading a third-party app. Now, of course, we have multiple different apps that we can use. However, in this case, I'm gonna show you one particular. So we're gonna go to the Play Store and we're gonna type Arian. This is the app that I'm gonna use in this case, this one over here. It is actually really easy to set up as long as you are using the same connection. Even if you have Ethernet on your computer, or if you are connected by using the Ethernet cable, you can still connect as long as it is actually the same connection, the same network. So let's install, and of course we're gonna also need to use the same app on our computer. We will need to install it on our PC or Mac. So in the meantime, we're gonna do just that. I'm gonna show you how to download it. So you want to open the browser on your computer and go to arian.com. Over here we have the link, and depending on your operating system, you want to choose either for Windows or Mac or Ubuntu. And after that, of course, you want to install the app on your computer. It is really easy to do so. Just follow the instructions that you will have on your screen. And then once you open it, it should look like this. We also have some additional information that we need to make sure that the Arian webcam is running on our mobile phone, as well as the phone and the PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi. Now, like I said, most likely you don't really need to have Wi-Fi on your computer. You just need to be using the same network. So now on our phone, we're gonna just open the app. We're gonna dismiss this information and let's grant permissions. And right after that, you should be able to connect pretty much immediately. As you can see, the text in the middle is gone. And we have, of course, the preview of the camera. But if we switch to the computer, as you can see, we are connected as well, and it works just fine. As you can see, here's my hand, there we go. Now, not only that, we also have the option to change the resolution. Over here, we can change the video format to, for example, even 4K, so this is pretty good. And that is all. Of course, during that whole webcam process, while you want to use the phone as a webcam, you need to have this app opened on your computer as well as on your phone. And if you want to use the camera, you can set it up by choosing the camera source in your app, such as OBS or I don't know, like Zoom, etc. Whatever you are using to make this phone be used as a webcam, you just need to find the setting for the video source or the camera source. So you want to select the Arian webcam. And that is essentially it. Of course, we also have a setting here, which we can manage if needed. So be sure to check that out as well. And that is all. So whenever you exit on the phone or on a computer, you will simply stop streaming the camera. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!